Hi guys, you're welcome back to my channel. My name is Premise AK, and on this channel we talk about data science, machine learning, artificial intelligence, and everything you need to know about technological advancement. If this is your first time seeing me, you're welcome to this community. We are like-minded community to help each other grow. So if this sounds interesting, click on the subscribe button to be part of this community. And I post videos frequently about data sciences, data analysis. If you want to be updated about my videos, please click on the notification bell so you'll be alerted. You'll be the first to be alerted whenever I post any new video. In this video, I'll be introducing you to Pandas, and I don't mean this. No, Pandas is a short form of Python data analysis library. It is an open source data manipulation and data analysis library for Python. It is designed to help you handle and analyze structured data, making it an indispensable tool for a data scientist, a data analyst, or researchers. Or if you work with Python or work with data generally, you need Pandas. In the world of data, real-world data sets are usually messy and unstructured, but thanks to Pandas, it makes it easy to clean, transform, analyze, and clean this data efficiently. With Pandas, you can get valuable insights to help you make data-driven decisions. Pandas is essential for anyone working with data. It helps you simplify tasks such as data cleaning, filtering, data grouping, and data visualization. It will help you save time and effort. It has a lot of inbuilt function to help you easily carry out these different operations. Pandas is your go-to library for data analysis in Python. It helps streamline data manipulation, exploration, and analysis, making it a must-learn tool for anyone working with data or aspiring to work with data. Pandas is well suited for different data types. For example, working with tabular data, so your rows and columns with heterogeneous data types. So for example, you could have time series data, you could have categorical data, you could have numeric data. Python or Pandas can handle this different form of data. So if you can also import from SQL, from Excel's different form of data, it could be ordered or unordered. So you can also work with time series data. And then if this sounds confusing, just stay on with me for a while. You get to understand this different term, because as a data analyst or a data scientist, these are the terms you get to use when you start working. In the next set of videos, I will cover different topics on the Pandas. First of all, I'll talk about installation and importing Pandas, how to do that in your Python notebook. We're talking about the two different types of data structures in Pandas. So basically we have two data structures. We have Pandas series and Pandas data frame. I'll show you how to convert from NumPy arrays to Pandas series or data frame. In my previous videos, we've been going through NumPy arrays. So now I'm going to show you how you can convert those NumPy arrays to Pandas data frame for effective cleaning and visualization. I'll also show you how to import data from different sources. So if you're working in a company and you have data from different sources, could be Excel, CSVs, from database, even from online sources, from websites, I'll show you how to import these different data. Then we dive into data cleaning, how to clean data, transform your data, how to explore your data, how to manipulate this data, and also how to visualize this data. The first step is to install Pandas, and if you followed my installation video where you installed Anaconda, you don't need to install Pandas again because it comes with the Anaconda package. However, if you install via other means and you don't have Pandas installed on your computer, you want to import and install Pandas using the command line pip install Pandas. That's pip install Pandas. Or if you're using Anaconda, you use Conda install Pandas. After installing your Pandas, to access Pandas and its functions in your notebook or in your Python script, you need to import Pandas. So for every time you open your script or your notebook, you will need to import Pandas, and you import Pandas using the command line import Pandas as PD. The short form PD because it's easily accessible and it's easily readable. So it's the industry convention, the widely accepted convention for installing or importing Pandas. So it helps you read your code, makes your code readable, and if you're working with people, it makes your code also readable to them so that they are able to understand what you have, so whatever you've written. So I recommend that you always import Pandas as PD. You need to memorize this line because you're going to use it a lot. As long as you're a data scientist, as long as you're working with data, Pandas is your go-to library, so you always work with Pandas. So I recommend import Pandas as PD, and you don't have to be scared if you cannot import it. If you cannot memorize it, just know about it and you can easily go browse and copy it from a script to another script. I think when I started out, I used to copy a lot, but over time, when you do these things over time, it gets to stick. So don't be scared if you can't remember or you're always going to look for it. Yeah, it's normal. I did the same thing. So from here, we'll go on to the live session. Make sure you follow through as I code. So I'll be showing you my notebook and we'll be walking through. Make sure you follow through. The best way to learn is to follow through. And if you have questions, please put them in the comment section. I'll be there to listen, or send me a message on any of my social media handles. I'll also put a link down there. Feel free to reach out to me. I'm here to help you if you're having challenges. I've seen people that, I've had different messages from people that are having challenges, and we're able to help them sort it out. So don't forget to reach out. Bye. See you on the next one. Thank you.